Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how you can contact Hotmail support or Microsoft support. If you need help with the products including Office, Windows, Surface and more, and you want to find some solutions for your common problems on Microsoft, then you can contact Microsoft support team. Click open a web browser. As soon as you do that, type in support.microsoft.com and press the enter. As soon as you reach to the page, click on Open Get Help app, or you can contact support in the browser as well. Click on Contact Support link and a next tab will open where you'll be able to mention the problems that you're having and need support on. Once you type in your problem, click on the Send button at the bottom right and you'll receive solutions for your problem. That way, you'll be able to contact Hotmail support. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.